Welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy FE S23, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve your battery life. So firstly, take a closer look of all enabled features in the control panel. So here you have, for example, location. If you don't need location right now, just disable location services. Disable Bluetooth if you don't need it right now, or disable Wi-Fi if you use mobile network, or disable mobile data if you use Wi-Fi. Disable Wi-Fi mobile hotspot. Hotspot is use a lot of energy of battery. Newbie share is draining your battery too, so disable the newbie share. And cool. Then open the maybe not settings. So take a look of your wallpaper. So as you can see, I have dark wallpapers on my home screen and on my lock screen too. It's because here on this device we have OLED screen. What it means? It means that our screen was created from thousands of micro LED lamps. They are really small, and it means that here on this device, our device, when we have black color on our screen, it means that in this place screen is disabled, and all we know that we really a lot of time spending on the home screen, just checking widgets or I don't know, checking something here when we searching for applications, for example. And as you can see, now more than 50% of my screen is disabled, and because of it my screen now consuming less battery power than usual, and it's very great. And because of this reason, sometimes we need to open display and enable dark mode. In the dark mode, our device will live longer. Of course, here we have motion smoothness. I suggest you enable standard mode. Standard mode will use 60 Hz of screen refresh rate, and maybe your screen will look not too smooth, but it will just improve your battery life, battery performance, and I think it's really great. And the last aspect is the battery. So of course, you need to enable the protect battery. Yes, your device will charge max to 85%, and because of it, it will uncharged faster. Okay, but if we will think strategically, so if we think in strategy for the future, so persons who enables this feature will have better battery performance after years. Okay, what about power saving mode? Click on it. If you will disable this feature, you will just open the battery saving mode. In this mode, your device will use less CPU performance, less brightness, disables 5G, and less RAM, of course. And because of it all, your device will live longer. But you can disable power saving mode, enable limit apps, and click enable now. And this way, your device can work several days without charging. For example, if you travel into far place, you can use this mode to just know that your device will work longer. In this mode, your device can work several days, from 2 to up to 5 days, if you will use only standard applications. If you add more apps, of course it will live shorter, but in this mode even your device will live longer. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.